Hello, you're welcome to Knowledge and Skills Academy. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Share the videos to other colleagues as well. Now, we want to look at simultaneous equations involving fraction. So, yesterday, the video we did was on just simultaneous equation. But this one, it is involving fraction. So, let's look at example 1. It says that 3a minus 2b is equal to 8. And then a out of 3 plus b out of 2 is equal to 5 out of 2. So they say find the solution set of the simultaneous equations. So let me rewrite the first equation, which is 3a minus 2b is equal to 8. And then a out of 3 plus b out of 2 is equal to 5 out of 2. So this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. But I realize that with equation 2, I am having a fraction. So I need to eliminate the fraction first before solving the entire work. So how do you go about it? Here the denominator is 3, 2, 2. So we can find the LCM for these three numbers. And what is the meaning of LCM? It means the least common multiple. If you find the multiples of 3, you'll be getting 3, 6, 9, etc. And that of 2, you'll be getting 2, 4, 6. You realize that 6 is common to all of them. So the LCM is 6. So from equation 2, the LCM is equal to 6. So my work is to use 6 to multiply through. So I'll be having 6 times a out of 3 plus 6 times b out of 2 is equal to 6 times 5 out of 2. Now I can cancel now. So 3 here, 1, 3 here, 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3. So I am now having a times 2 times a, that is giving me 2a, plus 3 times b will give me 3b, is equals to 3 times 5 will give me 15. So I can choose to name this one equation 3. Now, let me recall my equation. So now I eliminated the fraction from equation 2 to get my equation 3. So now I'll be working with equation 1 and equation 3. So equation 1 is 3a minus 2b is equal to 8. Equation 1. And equation 3 is 2a plus 3b is equal to 15. Equation 3. Now at this stage, you can choose to use elimination or substitution. And I did a video on both elimination and substitution. Probably I'll be dropping the link to those videos in the comment section. Now, so I'll be using substitution to do this one. So the substitution just talks about you making one of the variables the subject, and then you will now put it back into the other equation. So here I want to make a the subject in equation 1. So making a the subject in equation 1. So let me rewrite the equation 1, which is 3a minus 2b is equal to 8. So I want to make a the subject, so it becomes 3a is equal to 8. Then this will come plus 2b. But don't forget I'm looking for a, not 3a, so I have to divide through by the coefficient of a, which is 3. So divide here by 3, divide here by 3. It means that a now is equal to 8 plus 2b out of 3. Now, putting a is equal to 8 plus 2b out of 3 into equation 3. So wherever I see a, I'll put what? 8 plus 2b out of 3. So I have 2. That is here. And a is 8 plus 2b out of 3. I close the bracket. Plus 3b is equal to 15. Now let me expand this bracket. 2 times 8 will give me 16. 2 times 2b will give me plus 2b. All out of 3 plus. So sorry, 2 times 2b will be giving me 4b. So this place has to be 4b. 4b. So this place is rather 4b. All right. So 2 times 2b will give you 4b. And then plus 3b is equals to 15. But don't forget, here we are still having a fraction. So this is out of 1, for us not to be confused. And this is also out of 1. So what it means is that the LCM now is 3. All right. So far as the LCM is 3, let me rewrite the equation here. The equation is 16 plus 4b out of 3 plus 3b out of 1, for us not to be confused, is equal to 15 out of 1. And the LCM is 3, so it becomes 3 times 16 plus 4b out of 3 plus 3 times 3b is equal to 3 times 15. So I realize that this 3 here can cancel this 3. And the whole of this, I said, is out of 1, which is not needed, but for us to have better understanding. So I will now be having 16 plus 4b plus 9b. Where did I get the 9b from? 3 times 3b will give you 9b. Is equal to 3 times 15 will give you 45. So let me now group like terms. 4b plus 9b will give me 13b, which is equal to 45, then minus 16. So 13b is equal to 45 minus 16. So 45 minus 16 will be giving me 29. 29. But don't forget I'm looking for b, so I'll divide through by the coefficient of b, which is 13. Here 13. Here also 13. So it means that my b is now equals to 29 out of 13. So this is b. Now we have to find a. But don't forget, from I made a to be the subject somewhere. From the beginning, we made a to be the subject in one of the places. So I just want to use that one straight. So at this place, we made a to be the subject here. So I will not suffer. Let me rewrite this, and then I'll put b in it to get my a. Instead of me going back to use any of this equation, it will be too long for me. So I know A is equal to 8 plus 2B out of 3. So let me just put my B here and simplify, and I'm gone. All right, let's have a look at it. So I said A is equal to 8 plus 2B out of 3. And then now we are having B to be 29 out of 3. So I'll now be having A is equal to 8 plus 2. And wherever I see B, I'll put what? 29 out of 13. And all is divided by 3. I can change this sign. I can change the long division sign here, this sign here, the division sign here too. So it can be A is equal to 8. So let me multiply here. 2 times 29 will be giving me 2 times 20 will give me 40. So that will be 58 plus 58. Then out of 13, I want to change this sign so that it will be easier for us. Divided by 3. So let me solve here. Let me solve my fraction here. So A is equal to, what will be the LCM? The LCM will be 13. So it becomes 13. So this is out of 1. For us not to be confused, it's out of 1. 1 into 13, 13 times. Then 13 times 8 will give me 104. So this is 104 plus 58. Why do I get the 58 from? 13 will divide 13 one times this. Don't forget this in a bracket divided by 3. And 104 plus 58 will be giving me, this is equal to 162. 162 out of 13. Then divided by 3. So my work is now to simplify this. So this is equal to 162 dividing 13 times 1 out of 3. So when you to divide a fraction, you maintain the first one, change the division sign to multiplication, you find the reciprocal of the first one. So I realize that 3 can go into itself 1 and into 162 54 times. So 3 here 1, 3 here 54. So I am now having 54 times 1, which is 54, out of 13 times 1, which is 13. So this is my A. So A is equal to 54 out of 13. But don't forget the question says that, let's go back to the question. The question says that we should find the solution set. So we should find the solution set. So this is how you put the answer. It means the answer now will be the set A, B is such that A is equal to 54 out of 13, B is equal to 29 out of 13. Then you close your bracket. So this is our final answer. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to this channel. God bless you.